Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to make for you a banana smoothie. This is what I take during my morning. So every morning I usually have like 4 bananas, like you can see them here. They are all ripe. All these black blemishes doesn't mean that they are rotten. They are not rotten, they're just well. All in all, the bananas are ripe. So what I do is I start by removing this. When you want to keep your bananas for longer, first tip by the way before I go more, when you want your bananas to last for longer, don't remove this knob, just keep them when they have this. So whenever you want to use them, like for me right now I want to use them, it's when you remove them, you remove it on that thing. So first I start by doing that, by removing them from this thing here. Anyways guys, use this particular time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what your thoughts are. Subscribe, like, comment and share. So I want to be using this or rather you can see they are all ripe. So I'm going to put them onto this plate here. Then you just remove the outer skin, or you peel them. I told you they are not like rotten, you can see. So like that. Definitely you remove these strands. You remove the strands, then you peel again. Easy peasy. The banana smoothie are so healthy that you all should try. The bananas always have their natural sweetness, so you don't have to add some sweetener or some sugar into your banana smoothie. So here we go. I have all the banana here already peeled. Don't fall. So what I do is I remove the strands. Like, make sure your hands are clean, but as you can see, like on this banana we have these strands. You make sure you remove all that. When your hands are clean, you take a spoon or those table knives and then you remove this because you don't need them. So you make sure on each and every banana you've removed them, depending on how you peeled them. Some can just peel off well, some can leave the strands. So you clear that up. Ooh, this banana smells so good, so delicious and so yummy. So after that you just cut them into some smaller pieces, like you just rough cut them, like 2 times per each, or 3 times. So that is done. So what I'm gonna do, I have my blender already plugged in. The bananas are here, they are done. So what I'm gonna do is I have my blender here, so I'm gonna put them into the blender. This is the best recipe for you all. After putting them in the blender, I'm gonna add some vanilla essence because I like the flavor. I like the vanilla flavor. So I'm gonna add like 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You all can sing. Okay. Therefore, you add some milk. Pour that in there to be above whatever you're going to blend or to make. I messed up a little bit, so I have to wipe. So again, let's have a look. That's how it looks, guys. Thereafter, what you're gonna do is you just cover your blender. Make sure it's plugged in and the power is on. You go in with your spatula and check if everything has really blended and if it's the smoothness of what you wanted, or if it's thick the way you wanted. So you check that with your spatula, just like this, by going through and lifting to see how thick it is, because we are trying to have a smoothie, so you're gonna have to put it to be a little bit thicker. So I think mine is okay, but if it's more thick, what you do is you just add your milk. You add your milk. So that's what you do. So I'm gonna give it a last quick blend. So this smoothie, as I was saying, it helps you to gain weight. It's a healthy smoothie. So what you're gonna do, if you like your smoothie cold, or if you like it chilly, you put here your ice cubes. You put into a glass your ice cubes, or you can blend it with your ice cubes. For me, I'm allergic to cold things, so I tend to take my smoothie just like this. So what I do after blending it, so just have a look. You just pour it or serve it into my glass like that, and it looks so amazing. It smells so good, and I'm very sure it's so tasty and so healthy. So yummy. So what you do is you have now your smoothie. You can just take it like this. You can take it chilly. You can take it just like this, room temperature, and your body will love you. So kindly do try this at the comfort of your home. Try this, do this for your family members and your friends. I'm gonna be having this for my breakfast. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly do consider to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. In this channel I teach you how to cook different meals, how to clean your utensils or your kitchen equipment, and how to save money in your kitchen, how to improvise things, and how to do other things also at your comfort of your house. Just look at my videos and you will know what my channel is all about. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.